want to turn on your location services for your Windows 10 or 11, but you don't know how? Don't worry, you've come to the right video. Hi, my name is Shala, and I'm going to guide you through the process today of how you can enable the location services for your Windows 10, 11, or any other computer. So let's just get started. Alright, so we're going to go to the Start button. We're going to do a right click. Go to Settings. We're going to look for this option called Privacy. We're going to go inside that. And once you go inside that, we're going to look for this option called Location right under the App Permissions. Click on that. And since you want to turn on or turn off your location services, you can just change it from here. It says location for this device is on. So if you want to change this, just click on this change. And you can just turn it off or you can just turn it on. It's up to you what you want to do. If you want to turn this on, leave it like this. Also, there's one more thing that you can do here, which is very funny and very useful kind of. You can just come down and you can just make any precise application to be able to access your location. For example, if I want this camera to be accessing my location, I can turn this on. If I want mail and calendar to access my location, I can turn this on, or if I don't want it, I can turn it off as well. So here's how you can go ahead with that. So these are the two options that you can kind of enable or disable with your location services. So do try them out and let me know down in the comment section below if they helped you out. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.